It's the day of the big storm. Yesterday we had about 5 inches, but that was nothing compared to what we're supposed to get today and tomorrow. I got 14 propane tanks, 1,249 wax worms, 627 minnows, and 275 shiners. I'm going to set the storm out in my shanty. I could hang out here. I got heat. I forgot my sandwiches. I don't have any sandwiches, so I do have a pocket knife, so I could probably catch my own bait and my own fish and eat that. I could heat them up over the Mr. Buddy heater there. So the storm's coming. It blew in some snow already. Hopefully my shanty will hold up against the wind and the snow that's coming.